What causes political interference in justice administration and due process? Imagine a courtroom where decisions are supposed to be based solely on facts and law. Now picture political figures stepping in, trying to sway those decisions. That's what political interference in justice and due process looks like. It happens when politicians or government leaders influence legal processes in ways that threaten fairness and independence. This interference often starts with political interests and power struggles. Leaders may want to protect allies or push their agendas, so they pressure judges or prosecutors to rule a certain way. They might even dismiss cases that could hurt their image or threaten their control. This goes against the ethical idea that justice should be impartial, free from outside influence. Another cause is control over judicial appointments and court management. Politicians often choose judges or control court budgets and staff. If they favor judges who align with their views, it can skew justice. When appointments are based on loyalty rather than merit, fairness suffers. This creates a conflict with ethical standards that demand judges be selected based on ability and integrity. Executive overreach is also a big factor. Sometimes, government leaders try to interfere with ongoing investigations or override decisions made by prosecutors. For example, pressuring a prosecutor to drop a case because it involves a political opponent is a clear violation of due process. It undermines the legal principle that decisions should be made fairly and without bias. Political interference can also involve manipulating evidence or court procedures. Bribery, threats, or coercion might be used to delay cases or sway verdicts. These actions damage the trust in the justice system and violate ethical standards that requiring honesty and fairness. Politicians might also make public statements about ongoing cases. While free speech is important, such comments can influence public opinion or pressure judges indirectly. This can create the appearance of bias, which damages public confidence in the system's impartiality. Weak institutional safeguards make it easier for political actors to interfere. When laws do not clearly protect judges or lack mechanisms to prevent undue influence, interference becomes more common. Without strong protections, political interests can easily override the ethical obligation to administer justice fairly. In the intersection of ethics and politics, this conflict is clear. Ethical principles demand that justice be fair and independent. But political actors often see control over justice as a way to maintain power or avoid accountability. To reduce interference, countries can establish clear laws that protect judicial independence, ensure transparent appointment processes, and create oversight mechanisms. Upholding due process means constantly guarding against political influence, so justice remains fair, unbiased, and trustworthy for everyone.